So guys, here's how to fix Marvel Rivals not launching or opening on your Windows 11. So what you're gonna first do is right click on Marvel Rivals, your game on Steam, then click on properties. Now in your Steam settings, click on installed files. And what you're gonna do is click on this option right here that says verify integrity of game files. What this means is Steam will basically check to see that all the game files are installed correctly. There's nothing missing. There's no files that are actually corrupted. Okay? That should usually fix the issues with launching. If that doesn't help, guys, what you're going to do is right click on your start button, click on Task Manager, and then I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So basically, we're going to be ending tasks that are consuming a lot of your CPU and a lot of your RAM. If your RAM is being consumed about 80%, 90%, that is really, really bad. So anything that is consuming a lot of CPU, go ahead and click on that task, for example, right here, and then just click on End Task. Really that easy and simple, guys, and that should fix your crashing and freezing issues. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.